We are here from the Goa Women's Forum to create awareness on this DRS and to ask the government to scrap this scheme that they have put together, because they have not consulted with anyone. Neither the village panchayats elected members nor the municipality elected members, and the biggest stakeholder, which is the consumer, nobody has consulted with us. The notification came out in August of 2024. A letter was written to them in November. Still no consultation till date has been held with the consumers. So we are saying that this is all just to collect money. They are portraying it as if you will get money back, but we will only get money back of the deposit that they are going to charge. They are envisaging of putting a QR code on all of these products, from running from 2 rupees to 10 rupees, and asking people then to take these items to some machine wherever they will place them and collect our deposit money. But we will not get cash directly, it will go into our account. So another thing we are saying is this is another way to collect people's information, bank account details, telephone numbers, etc. So we are asking the government to scrap it.